Let me show you how Copilot in Excel can make budgeting simple and insightful for a family of 3. Open your Excel workbook and click the Copilot icon. Type a prompt like, create a monthly budget for a household of 3 with a yearly income of $80,000. Organized by categories like housing, food, utilities, transportation, savings, and entertainment. And Copilot will instantly generate a structured budget table with formulas and forward. Now add your actual spending in a separate column next to the budget. You can ask Copilot to compare your monthly spending to budget monthly spending and call out any differences. And Copilot will calculate the variance, flag overspending, and suggest where adjustments might help. Now, if you want a clear picture of exactly which categories tend to be over that budget, ask Copilot, show which categories are more often over budget. And that's it. You've just built a smart monthly budget and uncovered spending insights using Copilot in Excel. Like and subscribe today, and I'll see you in the next video.